Hello friends, in this video we are showing you how our forging press works. Are you ready? Let's watch together. Before every forging operation begins, the forging press is thoroughly tested. The table is moved up and down to ensure stability, precision, and full operational readiness. Once the press is prepared, the heated workpiece is transferred directly from the furnace into the forging mold. As you know that at temperatures reaching up to 1,000 degrees, the material becomes formable, allowing the first piece to be shaped exactly according to its required geometry. With the process stabilized, the second piece is forged. Each stroke delivers controlled impact force, ensuring repeatability and consistent product quality. After forging, the part is transferred to a mechanical trimming press. Here, excess material is removed and the final contour of the component is precisely defined. From the rear side, the press's synchronized servo forging system can be observed in action, delivering stable, reliable performance throughout the entire cycle. The workpiece, heated to between 1000 and 1200 degrees, is guided from the furnace slide into the press. After each stroke, the operator rotates the part, allowing it to be reshaped, step by step, until the final form is achieved. With more than 40 years of industrial experience and over a decade of manufacturing expertise, our company continues to deliver high-performance forging solutions supported by a strong R&D foundation. Under the TRtech brand, we design efficient, durable, and internationally compliant machinery backed by a customer-focused service approach. By combining advanced technology with uncompromising quality, we continue to set new standards in the forging industry. Yes, friends, thank you for watching and taking the time to learn more about our forging technology and production process. We appreciate your interest and support. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us for future updates. Bye everyone.